Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have a Look Fantastic box, but not just any Look Fantastic. It is a limited edition and it is the Hero Edit box. It has a $40 value, but with the link below and my code, Kathrin22, you can get 22% off this box. I think you can also get it off of a subscription box. But let's get in here and see what we've got. Look Fantastic is sent to me free for review, but you will always get my honest opinion, and I like it. I have said in the past, I have really good luck with Look Fantastic and GlossyBox because they are British owned companies and they tend to have products in it that we don't necessarily see in our boxes here. And I have super sensitive skin. I seem to have better luck without having reactions and that kind of thing with the products that we get in these boxes. So that is what the paperwork looks like, and it lets us know that it is a limited edition, the Hero Edit. And then when we open it up, it is chock full of goodies. And this is another one of those really sturdy boxes. I keep them and I find fun things to do with them. All right, let's see what the book says. Look Fantastic Beauty Box, the Hero Edit Limited Edition, March 2021. And when we open it up, it tells us about everything that's in the box. They don't, oh, they give us prices. I was getting ready to say they don't usually give us prices, so I will look them up and let you know, but yay, they have given us the prices. That is awesome. Our March Look Fantastic Beauty Box, the Hero Edit, is the coveted Best of Clean Beauty Collection. With innovative skin and hair care essentials, this bright pink limited edition box has a curation of our beauty editor's 8 favorite products that we know you'll love. We hope you enjoy each carefully selected product inside our March Look Fantastic Beauty Box, the Hero Edit. Right on top we saw, and you guys know, I love Daily Concepts. We have a Daily Concepts Detox Massaging Brush, and that is what that looks like. I have actually shown these on the channel before. I have ordered them out of other edit sales and those kinds of things. So I'm not gonna take this out so that I can pass it along if I want to, but I love it. It has the little plastic nubblies on it, and that's really good, they say, for breaking up cellulite, but I use it on the back of my thighs. I really like to do a dry brushing. I think that it really helps. I do this and then shower and then moisturize, and I think that it just helps everything, just like on your face if you exfoliate. I think it helps like your body products absorb better if you do this. So again, that is what that looks like. And the paperwork says, break up cellulite deposits and remove old dry skin with this massage brush. Its responsibly sourced natural bristles and rubber nodules also stimulate and increase blood flow and circulation while removing dead skin cells for a beautiful, healthy glow. And this has an $18 value. Reaching in next, we have the Korres Greek Yogurt Foaming Cream Cleanser, and it's 0.68 fluid ounces. I love this. I love this line, and this cleanser I have had really good luck with, and I have sensitive skin, so you can always keep that in mind. But this is a good size. I would say it's either a deluxe sample or a travel. This says Korres Greek Yogurt Foaming Facial Cleanser, deluxe sample. Always do the reading, Kathrin. $4 value. This nourishing cream to foam, soap-free cleanser is formulated with naturally soothing Greek yogurt and is gentle enough for sensitive skin. That is true. Greek yogurt, the key ingredient, specifically delivers an instant soothing, cooling sensation with a super dose of pre- and probiotics to nourish the skin. Let me show you guys what this looks like. It's just really basically a white cream and it has a seal on it, so yay. But I really like it. I've actually never bought a full-size one. I don't know why. I guess because we get so many cleansers in our boxes. And that is it. Oh, sorry. That's a highlight from another box I just did. But see how it's kind of creamy, but a little bit like a gel? It's kind of a cross. And when you have water, it's a cleanser. It does what cleansers do. It foams up. And it's just a nice, clean, fresh scent. I like it a lot. Yeah, this will go into my rotation immediately. Every time I get this, I immediately take it downstairs. I like it so much. Downstairs, we have 2 bedrooms up and 2 bedrooms down, and I tape in one of the upstairs bedrooms, so everything else is downstairs. I feel like I refer to upstairs and downstairs a lot, and that's why the master bedroom is downstairs and my taping room is upstairs. Reaching in next, I have a Verso Micellar Water, and it is #1 for daily use. We have seen this Verso in some of our other boxes. I don't think I've ever tried the micellar water or even seen it in another box, so I'm interested in trying this, and it is the Deluxe 1 fluid ounce MSRP $6 Verso Micellar Water. Wipe away the day's makeup, dirt, and grime with the Verso Micellar Water, infused with molecules that attract and lift impurities away from the skin like a magnet. Verso aims to turn back the clock with simple and effective anti-aging products, and this micellar water is the perfect all-around product to cleanse, firm, and hydrate. Like a magnet, you say? That is very interesting. Well, there is nothing in the ingredients that I can't use, so let's go ahead and give this a try. It does have niacinamide in it. So it's just, I hope you guys can see, it's just like water. Whoop, and dripping off my hand just like water would. Oh, it has an interesting scent, but I will tell you, it is already dissipating. It's kind of earthy. The scent is a little earthy. It's not my favorite scent, but in theory, well, I guess you could use micellar water. I always rinse because I have sensitive skin. Even when I use micellar water, I give my face a quick splash after, so it would not matter to me if it had a slightly unusual scent, which has dissipated. But if you are very scent sensitive, I'm not saying it's strong. It's not strong. It's just unusual. I know, that's not a great commercial. I will absolutely be trying it, so you know. It's not an offensive smell. It's just, I can't place it. Next out, we have Priori Skin Decoded Hand and Body Replenisher. Replenisher, that's very interesting. Let's see what it says about it. It is the Priori Skincare LCA FX 141, that sounds very official, Hand and Body Replenisher, Deluxe 0.6 Fluid Ounce Size. This has an $8 value. This ultra luxurious emulsion adapts to all your skincare needs, providing your skin with a customized treatment that gently exfoliates, moisturizes, and provides essential antioxidants for a softer, smoother appearance. Consider this a corrective, intensive body cream that helps reduce imperfections, including breakouts, stretch marks, pigmentation, dry skin, and more. Apply liberally all over the body, once or twice a day. It also says that if you put it on after shaving, it will help prevent ingrown hairs and folliculitis. So that is cool because it's like a moisturizer, but that does the same things for your body that we're always doing to our face. That can't be bad. The third ingredient is lactic acid. I don't think there's any reason I can't use that on my body. My body doesn't tend to be sensitive. It's just literally my face. More importantly, it's usually just my cheeks. My forehead and my chin can usually take it like a trooper. It's my cheeks that end up burning. Put a little bit on my hand here. It's just a nice cream. It's not too thick, not too thin. Virtually no scent, just a very, very light lotiony scent. You saw how much I just put on my hand? I could easily do both of my hands with that. I'm going to do both of my hands with that. And we'll see if I have any sensitivity to it. With my face, we would know instantly with lactic acid. My hand, it made my hand so smooth. Can you guys tell? I mean, I'm in my mid-50s. I have some wrinkles. That made my hand so smooth. Wow. Okay. All right, reaching in next, we have a Juice Beauty, the Organic Solution Bamboo Pore Refining Mask. I will tell you, and this is a blanket statement. Here you go, blanket statement. I don't generally have a lot of luck with the Juice Beauty. I seem to be sensitive to something they use because it seems to be like universal across the board of their brand. So let's read about this and see what it says, and then we'll decide if we want to open it. Juice Beauty. Juice Beauty Bamboo Pore Refining Mask is a deluxe sample and it has a $10 value. Protect against maskne with bamboo charcoal and kaolin clay in this mask to help detoxify your skin. The aspen bark will help smooth, hydrate, and exfoliate with polyhydroxy acids for a softer, smoother complexion. Well, my instinct is to be like, yeah, this isn't going to work for me. But I have to tell you, my chin has become problematic. I have had this channel for a couple of years now, and I have always said, I'm so blessed. I just don't have acne issues. All of the things that you get for oily skin, that's not me, or for acne, I've been really blessed. I will tell you, in the last month, I have had 2 breakouts on my chin. I don't think it can be a mask because frankly, I don't leave my house enough to worry about needing a mask, but maybe the stress. Let me open it and see if it's, okay, it's not sealed, so we'll go ahead and try it on the back of my hand. Since it's not sealed, I wouldn't put it in a giveaway anyway. It's really smooth feeling. So it's the charcoal color, but it doesn't have, you know, sometimes these masks can be really dry. This feels like a lotion. It feels really nice. I will probably try it like on my chin area. So there's a thick coat of it on the back of my hand. Should we let it dry down? Let's try and let it dry down. I'll smooth it out just a little bit and see how tight it gets and that kind of thing. It feels nice though. It feels like a lotion, not like, we'll see. Okay, reaching in next, we have the Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Clinical Densifying Foam Conditioner. I like all those words. That is what that looks like. Let's read about it, because foam conditioner, I mean, I like that. Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Clinical Densifying Foam Conditioner, 1.5 fluid deluxe sample, MSRP $12. So this would be perfect for like traveling. This gentle self-foaming conditioner infuses weightless, nourishing moisture to delicate, thinning hair for body and movement. It's formulated with Amla Indian gooseberry and red clover to increase moisture and hydration to the hair for fuller, softer results. Shake well before use. I love that they said that right up front. You guys know I'm not always good at the shaking well. Dispense an egg-size amount into the palm of your hand and distribute through damp hair, focusing mid-shaft to ends. Then rinse thoroughly. I have to tell you, part of my excitement was I thought it was going to be like a leave-in conditioner. So this is going into the shower. And you're just using... That's interesting, right? I mean, that's new and different. Let's see. Oh, shake it well. Already forgot. Put a little bit in my hand. Oh, it comes out like a sheet. Can you guys see? Oh. Hold, please. So anyway, here it is. Got it back, no problem. Let's put it on the front of my hands. Oh yeah, it feels like a conditioner. It gets thick feeling. Can you guys see? It's not foamy. I hope that comes across at all. It's not, oh, you can tell around my rings. It's not at all foamy. It becomes creamy. It has a really, really, oh, it's better, easier to tell on that hand. It has a really, really fresh scent. I like that a lot. Okay, that's intriguing. That will be interesting to see since it's $12 for this little fella. That could be a really expensive conditioner depending on how long this lasts. I mean, I'm sure this is probably 12 and then 4 times this is probably, you know, 18. Now they do pricing. But yeah, that is, I will be anxiously awaiting trying that. All right, I'm gonna try and get this off without taking that off yet. And next we have the Aurelia Probiotic Skincare Cell Revitalize Night Moisturizer with neroli, lavender, rose, and mandarin, and this is 1 fluid ounce. So although it looks like a small box, I bet it's a full size because a lot of nighttime moisturizers only come in an ounce. That is what that looks like. Let's open it up. Let's see what the bottle looks like. And that is what it looks like. So let's read about this. Aurelia Probiotic Skincare Cell Revitalized Night Moisturizer. It says it's the deluxe 1 fluid ounce, $48. Yowza. This ultra-rich hydrating night cream fuses probiotic ingredients with plant and flower botanicals to transform the skin's luminosity. Aurelia's signature probiotic ingredients continuously protect, restore, and balance the skin from within by calming the natural immune triggers in your skin that can be overstimulated by pollution and stress. After a thorough reading of the ingredients, I can absolutely use this, so let's see what it looks like. When we open it up, it's just a nice white cream. This will last quite some time because you know you're only going to need a touch. And that's what I've taken, and it looks very light. Oh yeah, it does. It goes on really nice and light. It absolutely, I know that scent. Oh, you know those scent memories that you have? What is that? It smells really nice. It's kind of a cross between a floral and a fruit, but it smells so nice. Also feels really good on the back of my hand. I don't want to give up because I feel like I know that scent. I could absolutely sleep with this as a night moisturizer. It's not too strong, but it does have a scent. So if you are very sensitive to fragrance, this might not be for you, but it is a lovely scent. I can't place it though. It did it, and it made the back of my hand kind of glowy. I like that. I will absolutely be trying that. All right, last but not least in the box, well, except for a little bit of that foam that I might have dropped in there, we have the Organic Pharmacy Lip And eye cream, Nourish and Comfort. That is what it looks like. That is what that looks like. And this is full size, and it says the Organic Pharmacy Lip and Eye Cream, 0.3 fluid ounces, $49. Can't wait to see what this does for my lips and my eyes. This ultra rich and nourishing cream provides a soothing treatment to the delicate eye and lip area. Its balmy texture combines eye bright, fennel, and bilberry to revive, aloe vera to heal, and frankincense to add a subtle fragrance and treat dryness. Smooth over clean eye and lip contour morning and night. Make sure to be extra gentle on these delicate areas. So here we are as I open this, and it is sealed, at the end of another Look Fantastic box with skincare in it, and I can use everything in it. That's what I'm saying. This box, even with my sensitive skin and my allergies to bizarre things, more often than not, I can use what comes in it, and I can't wait to try this. It comes out very small, which I like because I am always want to take way too much when it comes to lip and eyes. I'm going to put it on the other side of my hand so I can hope to discern some scent. It is very balmy. It still goes in kind of like a cream, but it does have a thick, balmier feel. It's got no scent. I do not smell anything at all. It is a little thick, so if you were going straight to a makeup, you'd probably want to give it a few minutes, or it would probably be excellent at night. It does seem to have made my hand glow nicely too. Okay, this little fella dried down. No, not quite. I just touched it and that happened. Well, we're gonna take it off and see if my hand looks better anyway. I don't know if you can really tell. Can you think you can tell a charcoal mask on your hand? Nope, it just looks like a really nicely smoothed hand. But more importantly, I didn't have any reaction to it. And while my face is far, far more sensitive than my body, I would probably still know something was up. That is what we got in their special Hero Edit for March 2021. Again, it is a $40 box. I will put a link below that will get you 22% off, which will make it just under $32. And we know that each of these products far exceeds that, not including everything else. But each one of these on their own pays for the cost of the box if you use their code. And we have the Aurelia Cell Revitalize Night Moisturizer, the Organic Pharmacy Lip and Eye Cream, the Juice Beauty Bamboo Pore Refining Mask, the Verso Micellar Water #1 for daily use, the Alterna Caviar Foam Conditioner that you still use in the shower and rinse out. I'll report back. The Priori Hand and Body Replenisher that has lactic acid in it to kind of help our bodies like our faces, the Korres Foaming Cleanser in the Greek yogurt, which I love, and a Daily Concepts Detox Massaging Brush, which is perfect for dry brushing. Let me know below what you guys think. I, once again, am thrilled with this box. I just always am, which is why I like to have it on the channel for you guys to check out, because I know it's not one of the ones that's everywhere, and I think it is so worth knowing about. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Take care of yourselves and enjoy spring. Bye, guys.